Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute the sound using the shortcut on Logitech G413 TKL SE. Okay, so to do it we need to hold the FN button and then we need to click on the F9, just like that. And now I'll open up the open my desktop to show you that it's actually working. Alright, now we are on the desktop. Now I'll hit the FN and the F9 and you can see in here that the sound is now working. Now I'll hit again to show that it mutes. So again FN, F9, and you can see that icon, which means that our sound has been muted. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.